Ladybug and Cat Noir lose memories. Kids help superheroes. Ladybug doll fun. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting adventure with Ladybug and Cat Noir. They've found themselves in a bit of a pickle. They've lost their memories during a fierce battle. Can you believe it? In this video, we need your help to get our beloved superheroes back on track. Ladybug and Cat Noir are counting on you to help them retrieve their memories. Are you up for the challenge? As Ladybug and Cat Noir struggle with their memory loss, their powers are seriously affected, making it extremely difficult for them to fight off the villains that threaten the city. It's a race against time to restore their memories and save the day. But fear not, young detectives. With your sharp minds and problem-solving skills, we believe that you can uncover the clues and secrets that will help Ladybug and Cat Noir regain their memories. It's time to put on your detective hats and dive into the mystery. As our young heroes delve into the mystery, they begin to piece together the puzzle, following the trail of clues and using their ingenuity to unlock the key to restoring Ladybug and Cat Noir's memories. The excitement builds as they get closer to uncovering the solution. And finally, the moment we've all been waiting for, the kids have cracked the code and found the key to restoring Ladybug and Cat Noir's memories. It's a heart-pounding climax as the superheroes regain their powers and face off against the villains in an epic showdown. As we wrap up this thrilling adventure, let's take a moment to reflect on the power of teamwork and helping others. Together, we've solved the mystery and saved the day, proving that when we work together, anything is possible. Before we go, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more superhero adventures. We'd love to hear your thoughts and ideas in the comments below. Until next time, stay miraculous.